How to find comment history. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your comment history on TikTok app. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now click on inbox and click on the likes up there. This is all your activity on TikTok app, which mean people who following you, people who accept you on TikTok, people who comments, who likes your videos, or something like this. And when someone mention you, if you want to know just comments, click on comments, and here you're gonna find all the comments history. When someone comments on your videos, you will see it here. And if you want to find comments, your favorite comments, click on here, click on comments, and you're gonna find your favorite comments here. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.